let's shift our focus to a major relief for singer Sonu Nigam. You have the Karnataka High Court that has barred any kind of coercive action against him. You would recall this is a row over a Kannada song's alleged non-compliance with the local language norms. Now, this case had sparked, in fact, by a complaint that came in from an activist in Bengaluru, and that had escalated tensions. The singer was also seen defending his artistic freedom. He welcomed the court's interim order, allowing him to continue performances while the case right now is being reviewed. We also had Deepak telling us more on what has happened in the court.
It looks like there is some sort of relief for singer Sonu Nigam. There was a lot of pressure from him. Firstly, the complaint was given, the FIR was eventually registered. Then, of course, came a non-cooperation announcement from the Karnataka film industry, which meant that he wouldn't be able to perform in any of the events in Karnataka. Neither could he sing. Then there was a demand for an apology. He, of course, initially refused to apologize and said that he would not really budge to such sort of a demand. Later, eventually, of course, he says that he wants to put his ego aside and apologize, but the FIR of course continued. That meant that the investigation will have to. So his legal team had approached the Karnataka High Court to quash this FIR. Meanwhile, in what can be considered as an interim relief, there won't be any sort of coercive action that will be taken against him, is what the prosecution here has assured. That is, of course, he as long as he cooperates with the investigation. And the court has also said that they are, of course, this is an interim measure, and until the court really decides upon this, no final report should be submitted by the police as well. So it definitely means that there is not going to be any sort of coercive action that will be coming his way. When we say coercive here, it would mean that taking him into custody.